Hello everyone, let's talk about steel. I'm Kevin Jiang, product consultant of MESCO Steel. This course I'm introducing aluminum silicon coated steel, which is also called aluminized steel. Aluminum coated steel is divided into two types, type 1 and type 2. Type 1 has aluminum silicon coating while type 2 has pure aluminum coating. Currently, there is only T1 in China. Part 1. Characteristics. Aluminized steel has many special features that make it different from other steel. First, high temperature resistance. Due to the specific combination of the steel-based material and coating structure, an iron aluminum alloy is formed, which makes the aluminized plate have excellent high temperature resistance. At approximately 450 centigrade, extremely high reflectivities is guaranteed, and there is almost no change when used for a long time below about 550 degrees. The surface still maintains its beautiful luster. When the temperature exceeds about 600 degrees due to the mutual diffusion of iron and aluminum, the surface gradually changes from gray to dark color. However, the melting point of the metal coating is very high and will not melt and precipitate. The heat resistance of aluminized steel is almost the same as that of stainless steel and is more than 20 times better than cold-rolled steel. 2. Heat reflectivity. At a high temperature of 500 degrees Celsius, it has a heat reflectivity of about 80%, and it can be reached 95% under infrared rays. Therefore, aluminized steel can be made into efficient thermal shield or heat reflectors in high temperature applications, allowing the furnace temperature to rise rapidly through effective heat reflection. Processability. The chemical property of aluminized steel is consistent with that of its base material, so the processability is basically the same as that of galvanized steel, galvalume steel, ZAM steel, and other coated steel. 4. Corrosion resistance. During the hot dip coating process, the molten aluminum immediately reacts with the oxygen in the air to form a protective layer of Al2O3, which immediately passivates the surface of the steel plate. This protective layer is very stable and insoluble in water. Even if the surface of the steel plate is scratched later, it has a self-healing function. Therefore, aluminized steel has strong resistance to chemical corrosion. Environmental protection. It has been confirmed by the testing of some authoritative organizations that aluminized steel that is not chemically passivated complies with the food hygiene law and is harmless to human health and can be directly used in food processing. Test reports from many professional groups prove that it is harmless to the human body and is an environmentally friendly product. Aluminized steel is completely recyclable. 6. Weldability. Aluminum steel is relatively soft, so it is easy to bond. And because it has strong electrical conductivity, the heat dissipation of the welded part is better than that of cold-rolled steel. In addition, the melting point of the coating is higher than that of galvanized steel. It has a smaller melting area and not easy to flow, so there is no need to use as much electricity current as galvanized steel. 7. Paint adhesion. When painting on aluminized steel, in order to stabilize the adhesion, pre-treatment for chemical film formation is required. Part 2. Application areas. Aluminized steel can be widely used in a lot of areas, like home appliances, such as baking ovens, microwave ovens, electric cookers, water heaters, etc. Automotive industry, such as exhaust pipes, mufflers, heat shields, and so on. Kitchen utensils, such as gas stoves, barbecue grills, frying pans, bakewares, kettles, etc. And other fields like construction, agricultural, and mining machinery.